Hi guys, I wanted to share my box of Imperfect foods with you again. This time because my order was a bit larger and Thanksgiving is next week. So these are the things I got and I just was flabbergasted, meaning that I wanted you to see how leafy green, how beautiful these fruits and vegetables are from Imperfect Food. I became aware of Imperfect Foods through Olivia from Makeup Fun with Olivia. She turned us on to Imperfect Food with a wonderful video that she did, much like this, but better quality. I'm really telling you, better quality. But I had to share again because Imperfect Food has come to my rescue so many times. What is Imperfect Foods? If you don't know, Imperfect Food is all about improving the food system by helping to reduce food waste. That means you can find produce, affordable pantry items, quality eggs, dairies, fish, and other meats right there on their site. It's all delivered to your doorstep with up to a 30% discount from what you'll find in grocery stores. That means that 139 million pounds of imperfect food is saved. Imperfect Foods is available in 38 states, so get online and see if it's available in your state. What I'm showing you here, I spent a grand total of $61.62. So they say I saved about $21.12. I believe them when I look at my other grocery bills. So what is Imperfect Foods? What are they? How are they imperfect? Well, grocery stores sometimes get short-coded foods. That means there's a narrow window from expiration into when they can sell it. So Imperfect Food becomes the person that grabs those foods from them and make them available to us. Sometimes it's ends and pieces like broccoli that has the leaves and stems on them, and people don't want that. They just want the crown of the broccoli. In steps Imperfect Food. Or the food is blemished, it's cosmetically imperfect. People or stores want to showcase and see beautiful, shiny vegetables and fruits. Sometimes it's just too many, overproduction. There's a surplus of foods and they have to get rid of them. In steps Imperfect Foods. And other times it's discontinued items. The packaging changes and the companies don't want their foods going out with that packaging on it. In steps Imperfect Foods. So how do you get started? Well, go online to Imperfect Foods, like I said before. You can choose your groceries. Imperfect Foods lets you know what foods are available and each week, and you choose your groceries. Imperfect Food also packs your order and delivers it to your doorstep. Usually, is what I do, and Imperfect Food recommends this, is to make a meal plan. Figure out what you want to eat in the next week or two and buy those items that are available. Also, stock up on your staples like onions, celery, fruits, carrots, and peppers. Those things are going to be needed and they're the basics of a lot of recipes. So as you can see, I basically shopped for vegetables that I will need for Thanksgiving. Plenty of onions, shallots, Brussels sprouts, turnips, jalapeno peppers, things to help make my stuffing, things to make a pan of roasted vegetables, and also a little ginger beer just for a treat. And my goodness, those nutty toffee morsels are delicious. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll check out Imperfect Foods. They look delicious, and I can't wait to get them all washed and put away. Alrighty, if you've yet subscribed to Accessorize Your Life, I invite you to do so. Here I am finding ways to age gracefully, and I'd like you to come along on my journey. Eating healthy is one way I do this, so I have found some conventional foods here and some organic foods, but most of all, perfect, imperfect foods for me and my family. Again, thank you for watching, and I hope you will like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye for now.